In Bangkok, but definitely our favorite. And the reason for that is because it's huge. It's sort of like the central park of Bangkok. And it allows just, you know, especially if you have kids, it's great, or if you're into exercise, it's just a massive amount of green space with lots of different kinds of trees, and you just really feel like you're in Thailand, you know, with all the greenery. Your kids are free to do roller skating or biking or go on there, whatever. And like a lot of the parks in Bangkok have certain restrictions, like you can't bicycle, you can't go on your rollerblades or whatever, but this park, it allows for everything except for you can't walk your dog, unfortunately. But it's just great because there's so much space to just go outside and, you know, be with nature and just relax. And, you know, so often in an urban setting, kids end up, you know, if they do go outside, they end up playing in the parking lot or something like that. But this sort of park allows them to be free, run around without having to worry about being hit by a car or something like that. So anyways, we're gonna show you some little quick clips of what this park is like. It's beautiful. It's a rainy day today, so we don't have to worry about sunburn, which is great. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you enjoy. All right, bye.